For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Thursday, December 3rd, my name is Ian Kelly. These are some of the stories we're following at this hour. 2 more COVID-19 deaths in Vermont, along with 101 new positive tests, for a statewide total of 4,461 cases and 74 deaths. Windham County reported 2 new positive tests on Wednesday for a total of 250 cases and 5 deaths. There were 9 New Hampshire deaths and 566 new positive test results reported for COVID-19 on Wednesday. The current New Hampshire statewide totals are 22,322 positive tests and 537 deaths. 10 of the newest positive tests came from Cheshire County, which has a total of 586 cases and 4 deaths. 46 newly confirmed deaths, 4,613 new confirmed COVID-19 cases in Massachusetts. There were 18 new positive tests reported in Franklin County for a total of 676 cases and 76 deaths. The total number of confirmed cases since March statewide in Massachusetts is 225,787, with 10,588 confirmed deaths. An unidentified caller has left at least 3 threatening and vulgar messages for members of Vermont Secretary of State Jim Kondos' staff in recent weeks. Kondos says one of the messages directed toward a top elections administrator on Tuesday accused the office of unspecified cheating and suggested that its members face a firing squad. The messages have been turned over to the Vermont State Police and the Federal Bureau of Investigation, both of whom Kondos said were investigating the situation. In their first move as a House majority, the New Hampshire House Republicans voted to adopt the rules from the 2017-2018 legislative session, thereby eliminating the sexual harassment prevention training instituted last session. Senate Minority Leader Donna Soucy was disappointed in their first move as the majority. Republicans chose to weaken protections against sexual harassment, according to Soucy, in a political sideshow by pushing through changes to House rules. Soucy called the action an insult to the democratic process, particularly when over a quarter of the House, including House minority, was unable to attend due to the pandemic. The Vermont Council on Rural Development has been working on an initiative they're calling the Vermont Proposition, an effort to engage thousands of Vermonters in articulating priorities designed to optimize the best of Vermont for our economy, environment, communities, and people, and then build a nonpartisan partnership to help drive them forward. The working draft of the Vermont Proposition builds off of the points of unity identified through their community visits and from ideas gathered more recently through dozens of interviews and from the input of hundreds of Vermonters. WTSA Sports, and a sloppy Wednesday afternoon game in the NFL that had to be bumped several times. The Ravens, who were a depleted squad due to the COVID pandemic, played the Steelers pretty tough. However, the Steelers hang on to win 19-14. That improves Pittsburgh's record to 11-0 on the season. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Thursday, December 3rd, my name is Ian Kelly.